Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can show the character count in your Google Docs document. First, you have to visit the Tools menu and then click Word Count. And then here you can see the number of characters in your document, and also there is an option for characters excluding spaces. So if you just want to see the number of letters or tiny characters but not spaces, then yeah, this is the real number. So if you want to keep this widget, keep this feature on while you're typing, you can check on this option and then click OK. Now you will have this word counter basically that always stay when you're typing the document. So if you add something, you can see that the number of words changes. But you can actually click on it and you can see the number of characters in your document. So right now, that's the only way, the fastest way to see the number of characters in your document. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on next video.